Meanwhile, authorities see the arrest soon of suspects in the daring jewelry heist at SM Mega Mall in Mandaluyong City recently. Criminal charges are also set to be filed against them. Again, the details from Alvin Baltazar.
The PNP on Monday will file cases of robbery in band against the group behind the robbery incident at SM Mega Mall last Saturday. According to NCRPO Chief Police Director Leonardo Espina, suspects have been involved already to other crimes as they are optimistic that they could arrest the culprits the soonest possible time. 3 of the 6 suspects were identified as a certain Alex Demale, Nasruddin Andal, and Tho Magulamas.
Clearly, Monday we will announce, we will invite you. Binubuo pa lang ngayon lahat ng dokumento. Grupo? Grupo to.
Malaking grupo ba ito?
Di naman, ilan lang ito. Makukuha natin ito isang araw. We promise you that.
And after the Mega Mall robbery, police authorities are now thinking of a new tactic that may prevent criminal elements from orchestrating the same modus. This is to monitor those who are buying hammers and the likes inside a shopping mall.
Ay yung mga bibili ng mga pipe wrench, hindi lang dito. Martilyo, ito pwede itang palo. Hindi na namin sasabihin kung paano namin gagawin, pero they will be monitored.
Espina this morning personally conducted an inspection at SM Mega Mall and observed stricter security check on each customers coming in who welcome such measure in lieu of their safety.
Abala siya kasi medyo nagmamadali kami tapos matagal bago makapasok. Tapos yun, pero sa safety naman yun, so okay lang.
Okay lang yun. Para nga seguridad. Mas maganda kasi mas preferably dahil mas safety sa aming mga namimili.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.